Squeeze and sneeze. That's Margot. She said squeeze and sneeze. Do you know what she means by
Yes,
that?
I definitely know what that means. Yes, I do.
Liz said, when did I last change my estrogen patch?
Oh, I love that.
Kim said, do I have a mustache?
Oh, yeah.
That's where we are on this
Yep.
day. Aaron says, why did I stand up? Why did I come into the kitchen? Do we really have to go tonight?
Well, that's me. Do we really have to go tonight? And when you've run out of excuses why you can't say you can't go,
Right.
like that's being older. It's like, oh God, I've used that excuse so many times. I don't have anything left.